Did you notice any tangible result or any specific thing in your life which has shift after joining Mindset Mastery program?
One big bungalow project
Okay.
immediately after starting the program. I was trying for that for 6-7 months, but that client was not responding me in a positive way. But definitely, if you follow her instructions, then nothing like it, I would say. It will 100% work. And Miss Preeti always motivates you for the application of those techniques, and she keeps in touch in a regular basis, even though you meet twice a week, but whole week के लिए उनका support रहता है. Yeah, one more thing I would like to add, that negative thinking, it is not it has not gone 100%, but definitely 50-60% I started thinking in a positive way, mainly.
Big bungalow project materialized in a very short span of time. I have seen, when I met Amay for the first
Suddenly,
time.
he only called me once and asked me for the meeting. So I would say such things will definitely happen. But you have to be very religious for those for the application of those tools. And you have to be.
He's the one who was thinking ki, at this age, can I think about transformation? I vividly remember. So we had a discussion ki nahi, it is all your mindset.
Very consistent. It's not like that कि हो गया तो भूल जाने का. I also did the same thing at the beginning, but later on, whenever I started getting the results, so वो पता चलता है कि अगर आप consistently ये करोगे, follow करोगे, तो it will give you result. वो जो moderate level पे thinking होता है ना, so this program teaches you that it should not be extreme thinking all the time. It has to be balanced and moderate.
So today we have Amay with us. So Amay is going to introduce himself. He's the Mindset Mastery Program achiever. He wanted to share his experience so far. कैसा रहा उनका overall experience? So I'm so excited to bring Amay and would really want him to share his experience so far. So Amay, quickly before we move ahead, I really want to just brief yourself, a brief introduction, yourself, your background, and before starting this program, what was your thinking and everything, whatever you want to share with us in a very short way. Yes, please go ahead, Amay.
Good evening all. My name is Amay Vassar. I am from Pune and I am architect by profession, having almost 18 to 20 years of experience. So I have faced, like others, I faced numerous problems in my life. So I was unable to find out the solution on that. But after completing this program, I can proudly say that there is a solution for every problem. Only the simple way is you just need to think in that way. आपको आपका mindset change करना है. Definitely आपको inner work पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा emphasize करना पड़ेगा. But definitely there is a solution, and you will be able to experience the same once you will be in this journey.
So Amay, I just wanted to know from you कि कोई specific challenge और goal था आपका before joining this program which you want to fulfill. क्या था वो? Or what made you to decide to enroll for Mindset Mastery program?
I don't know any specific goal as such, but I could able to discover many goals when I joined this program. So those were a bit hidden or unknown to me, but I could find out those. But definitely, as far as the thinking is concerned, I used to think in a negative way at any situation. So it was my biggest hurdle. So after joining, that mindset has been changed. The positivity came to my life, and definitely it helped me in a positive way. And जैसे जैसे आप वो different tools and techniques आपको समझ में आते हैं, तो you start applying those in your day-to-day life, and that positivity will be a bigger part of this program, and you will see a positive change in your life. once you start applying those tools and techniques in your day-to-day activity.
I just wanted to know a little more about this कि how did you feel about this program? जो भी इसमें approach है या tools and techniques है at the beginning, जब आपने शुरू किया था तब आपको कैसा लगा था? Can you describe that particular technique or tool which you find especially helpful?
Yeah, to be very honest, Ho'oponopono is one of the key techniques, I would say, because that you can apply it in a general way. Means उसके लिए ऐसा कोई नहीं कि for this solution, for this problem it is not applicable, for that problem it is applicable to all the problems. So that help in a positive way. As far as the health is concerned, then money problems are concerned. So वो मुझे अच्छी तरीके से अप्लाई करने के बाद it gives you result very quickly. And Miss Preeti always motivates you for the application of those techniques, and she keeps in touch in a regular basis. Even though you meet twice a week, but whole week के लिए उनका support रहता है. So definitely, if you follow her instructions, then nothing like it, I would say. It will 100% work.
Thank you so much, May. Thank you. And did you notice any tangible result or any specific thing in your life which has shifted after joining Mindset Mastery program? Can you specify your anything? मतलब success हुआ है, कोई mind shift हुआ है, whatever you want to share with me.
Yeah, I got one big bungalow project immediately after starting the program. I was trying for that for 6-7 months, but that client was not responding me in a positive way. But suddenly he only called me once and asked me for the meeting. So I would say such things will definitely happen. But you have to be very religious for those for the application of those tools. And you have to be very consistent. It's not like that कि हो गया तो भूल जाने का. I also did the same thing at the beginning, but later on, whenever I started getting the results, so वो पता चलता है कि अगर आप consistently ये करोगे, follow करोगे, तो it will give you result. It is not like that. Sometimes you may get it. Quick results, but sometimes for some big achievements or big goals, it could be time consuming, but you should not give up.
Yes,
that
amazing. Wow. So, big bungalow project materialized in a very short span of time. I have seen, when I met Amay for the first time, I could sense कि कितना अमय का अपना एक कॉन्फिडेंस था, अमय का थोड़ा सेल्फ डाउट था कि how this program going to help me. In fact, he's the one who was thinking कि at this age, can I think about transformation? I vividly remember. So we had a discussion कि नहीं, आपके it is all your mindset. आप किसी भी उम्र में, किसी भी उम्र में, किसी भी एज में, किसी भी लाइफ के पड़ाव में, you can achieve whatever you want. Because the moment you have decided in your mind कि मुझे ये करना है लाइफ में, तो only you can limit this and only you can overcome that. So this is the power of Mindset Mastery. I'm super happy for you, Amay, that you could materialize that option through your power of your mind, through the help of all the powerful tools and techniques you have learned through this program. Super amazing. And
one more thing I would like to add, that negative thinking, it is not it has not gone 100%, but definitely 50-60% I started thinking in a positive way. Mainly not about the career. I understand if you have to take the efforts, then only you will have success. But if somebody is sick in your family, then previously I used to get tense, but now I can face the situation calmly and with more confidence, or what you can say, वो जो moderate level पे thinking होता है ना, so this program teaches you that it should not be extreme thinking all the time. It has to be balanced and moderate.
Right, absolutely right. Because again, I always say this program is the beginning of your new future, your new success story. Or this program will also help you to have balanced emotion in any of the situations. So
Yeah.
again, when we say growth, so this program promises that you will get growth in all four major area of your life. So health, finance, career, relationship. So it's very important that you should have stability in your mind. So amazing. That's super amazing that you at least have that balanced approach when it comes to taking care of yourself and your family as well. Great.
Right. Definitely.
Yeah. So so what advice would you give to someone who is little confused अभी भी कि कैसे मैं enroll करूँ या ना करूँ, and how would you describe this program to someone who is little unsure about going for it? Yes.
Yeah. First thing I would advise that believe the program 100% before starting it. Then only you will have results, because that is the key for the success. Means if you have belief in your mind that this will work for me, then definitely it is going to work. It is of course law of attraction, but it works in that way only. शाहरुख खान का वो जो डायलॉग है जो उस दिन आप बोली थी, so that always works in that way. Impossible अगर आपको कुछ लगता है लाइफ में तो वो भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है, but you have to be focused and 100% dedicated. Then the success is all yours. This is only I can say. So just have faith in Preeti ma'am and follow her instructions religiously. Then you can see the miracle in your life. Just mark my words.
Super amazing experience. In fact, working with Amay, और बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं कि it is all about believing the whole process. जैसे हमें गीता में भी सिखाया जाता है कि कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. With this program teaches you the scientific reason why it is why it is very important to just focus on the efforts. Put your heart and soul in your work, in your goals, and live it. Somebody is there to protect it. Somebody is there to conspire the result for you. तो यही इस पूरे प्रोग्राम का लॉजिक के साथ मैजिक भी है. और आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर अमय दैट Amay actually could see the tangible result in his life, because as I mentioned, when I started working with Amay, he has a different personality, and today he's super optimistic, and he has also enrolled for level 2, wherein he's going to experience growth 360 degree. And I would highly recommend everyone to have coach in your life, because coach never judge you. Coach always motivates you and always give boost to your dreams.
Yes, definitely.
At times we say that we have to hang out with the right people, so coach could be one of them to hang out with, because he's going to or she's going to just give you that positive environment, which is very important for everyone to fulfill their dreams. Yeah, please. Yeah.
One thing I would like to mention that if your track is wrong before starting the program, or you are just say you are not taking 100% efforts, you are lethargy. So once you start this program, so you will put 1000% efforts automatically. Means even if you are not that kind of a person, you are not hardworking, say you are a lethargic person, you would like to sit at home most of the time, but आपको ऐसा लगने लगेगा नहीं यार, this is wrong what I was doing till now, but now my effort should be in this way, my effort should be in that way, then only I can fulfill the dream. This is what the idea is all about. So it guides you in a proper way, so that automatically you change yourself 360.
Yes, that is the power of energy. Okay, because coach always, because this whole program talks about power of energy, law of attraction, and affirmations, positive talks. So I always say that I'm just a channel to pass on universe energy to people like you, action taker like you. और जब ये इस ऐसे powerful program से आप introduce होते हैं, it means that some high energy is with you to protect you. It's just that you have to take that one small baby step, and there are super amazing things will unfold for you every single day. So thank you so much, Amay, for coming for this amazing interview. हम बहुत टाइम प्लान कर रहे थे, finally it is happening. So thank you so much, Amay, for sharing your beautiful experience with us. And since we are going to work together for level 2, and I'm sure that you are going to feel super amazing, in fact even more powerful after doing the level 2. So thank you so much.
So
take care.
बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप इतना सोच रहे हो तो ये प्रोग्राम के बाद आप इतना सोचोगे, means that is
expand. Yes, you are right. Expanding your thoughts, expanding your energy. Okay, ये पूरा energy container आपका expand कर देगा. That powerful that whole program is, because I made all the powerful I used, or I collaborated or gathered all the powerful tools and techniques जो वाकई में effective हैं, scientific हैं, magical के साथ साथ scientific भी हैं. That is why it works, because अगर आपको logic समझ में आता है. Yes, absolutely, Amay. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom and knowledge and your true experience with all of us. So those who are still thinking whether I should go for it or not, I think this is the high time to take action. Okay, don't think too much, because opportunities हर बार wait नहीं करते. So take action and turn your beautiful dreams into reality through Mindset Mastery program. So thank you so much everyone for watching this interview. Thanks, Amay, for being here with me. Yeah, thank you. Take care.